Hello guys. So this community post really wanted me to make a video before the abandoned building incident. So this is it. I'm really sorry about that lie on the Halloween incident. I said that the abandoned building incident was going to come out after it, but I lied. I'm sorry. But I have a bad news. It might be good news for you though. If you've been on the channel for long enough, you know that I always stick to this narrator voice, like the voice you're hearing right now. But sadly, I thought about changing it into
this voice. Rate it out of 10 if you like it. But don't worry, I will also use
this voice in some upcoming incidents.
So no need to worry about
this voice
being gone forever. Anyways, let's start the incident. I hope I don't do bad on my new job. Step 1. Have fun playing games.
Bro, what? Man, this game is so garbage. Why did I even install it? This stupid game.
Hey, Trollface, calm down. I know what to do to have fun.
Wait, you can help me have some fun.
Yes, that's why I'm here. So here is how to have fun. Step 2. Book a hotel room.
Now I have a hotel room. This gonna be fun.
Well, you should go now.
Man, that hotel looks super fancy.
Trust me, you will love it.
Let's learn about each other more. What is your name?
I am Steve. Step 3. Arrive.
Wow. That is a really pretty hotel. Let's go inside. Hello, I want room 407.
Okay, by the way, someone is waiting for you in their room. It's Gincidence. He wants to spend the night with you and watch some videos.
Oh my god, I am so happy.
Step 4. You are so happy.
Step 1. Purchase
Step
a cat
5.
in a blender.
Watch Gincidence on TV. Step 6. You're here.
What's up, dude?
Hello friend, let's watch some videos.
Okay.
Step 1. Purchase a cat and a blender.
Many people have went missing after investigating a sound outside of their room in the hallway of the Trollers Hotel. Stay safe, everyone.
Friend, is that real?
No, it's not. Don't worry. Let's go to bed now.
Okay. What the heck just happened? Wait. What is that?
The door is still open.
Wait. Is it already gone?
Man, what the heck was that? What did it look like?
It had a red fleshy head with blood almost covering its entire body and face. It had glowing eyes and it obviously looked like that it has great hearing.
Okay, well let's go to bed. We are leaving tomorrow night.
Okay.
What the?
Step 7. Finish your breakfast. Step 8. Play games. Step 9. Order pizza.
Hey man, what are you doing here?
I just wanted to explore this place at night for fun, but I think something is lurking out here.
I just wanted to stay at this hotel for the night because I'm on a long drive to see my parents, but I don't know where we are.
Well man, we need to find an exit to this place as fast as possible and call for help.
Why are you awake?
We're leaving tonight, remember? Let's go.
Okay. That was scary.
Yes, that was very scary. I thought we were going to die. Let's never go there again.
Okay, well we are almost here so you can sleep at my house if you want to. We can also play some games if you would like that.
Yes, I would love that, bro.
Okay, well we are almost there.